Don't cut yourself.
Please don't cut myself.
That knife might be a little dull. Haha.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
The home of detailing information.
And other automotive goodness.
When we can.
When we can.
So we better bring it when we can.
That's right.
Expectations are high
Because now we're really setting that bar.
Yeah. Anyways, we'd appreciate you guys if you'd like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, share with your friends, and check out the merch link below.
Thank you. We really appreciate it. So I guess...
You know what? No, I want to say something real quick. You know what?
Yeah?
We've noticed you guys, more of you have been subscribing. We appreciate it. Remember we talked about that metric that YouTube gives us of subscribed to not subscribed? And it was like 96% almost weren't subscribed.
It was quite sad.
And we were like, oh. But it's gotten a lot better.
Yes.
So knocked off 4 or 5% of that. So good job, guys. Thank you. And appreciate our subscribers who've always been there too. And new ones, thank you for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. As you can see what we're talking about today, it's here.
Yes, look at this. The SK Pro Micro Polisher
from a new toy. Adams Polishes. This is a quick unboxing video, and then we'll briefly describe why and where you would use this, right?
Exactly.
But the packaging. That's some nice looking packaging. Nice cardboard.
It's very nice. Yeah, it's.
Look at that.
You know, I mean.
Again, we know we talk about this stuff. That's kind of what we do, right?
Very, very nice packaging, Adams.
All right, so we're gonna learn as we go about this thing. Let's take it out of here.
Yeah, I've never seen one of these. Actually, you've never seen one either. So.
I've been kind of admiring it for a while on their site, and then this is the updated version, the Pro. I think they got rid of the original version that was just
this off to the side here.
Micro. So hey, another nice package. Inside the package, it looks like you get a nice carrying case.
That is a nice case. Oh yeah, it's kind of that semi.
Remember we got
hard
got a case like that with the mystery case.
Yeah, it was a mystery case. Yeah.
That's a video to check out.
Yeah, check out our
early days.
Our other videos. Yeah, you're gonna have to go back for that one. But yeah, nice set of zippers and a nice logo on there. All right,
let's open it up.
All right, Brandon.
All right, Ryan, let's get into it. We've got the Swirl Killer Micro in here. Apparently it's the 2.0 version. So what we got here?
You got
instructions.
Your user guide.
A couple wrenches.
Yep. We've got
a black wrench and a silver wrench. One with forks.
Show you that.
So
there you go. These guys right here, if you can kind of see those. Kind of hard to see with the background we have.
So it looks like you need 2 wrenches. I'm just thumbing through the instructions. It looks kind of, that's your technical specifications and then operating steps. And I actually watched Adam's video on this, so I don't need to read this, but it's there if you guys need it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
They put great videos out on this
Adams does have a great video on using this little guy.
And I'll honestly tell you, their video is 100 times more informative than this manual. Because looking through this manual, it doesn't have that much, and it actually doesn't tell you much about the different polisher heads at all. So watch Adam's video on this. Hey, we'll link it.
I noticed. I did look in that pamphlet there, and yeah, it's very sparse on information.
Yeah, so hit their videos up. We got 2 batteries.
So of course we have the micro here, and then 2 batteries, as Brandon was saying.
Now I am gonna say there's one piece not here because I use this. The charging deck, the charging base that holds the batteries.
There it is with the battery in there.
It does come with that too, the charging base, of course.
Yeah.
Watch this. Woo! Power. So a nice trigger. Got the trigger lock.
Okay. Oh, and I see a battery level.
Yep, we got battery life. This one's
let's show that to
about half right now.
That's pretty cool.
Comes on when you hit the trigger. Shuts off when you let go. One thing I liked too when I was using this compared to the other Swirl Killers, there's little detents on the speed. Feel that.
Oh,
the other ones just roll all the way 1 to 5.
Oh,
or 1 to 6.
It stops at each
Actually,
setting.
It kind of clicks in between.
Oh yeah.
There's like a 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 is kind of how I noticed.
That is a nice
like that.
usability thing because you can feel it.
Yeah. Whereas if you roll before, you roll too far. I mean, it's not super loose. Don't get me wrong.
Not hard or anything, but
let's go into the attachments because this is the important part.
What came in this little box?
You're going to get this polisher head attachments, and like we said, if you don't watch the video and you look at that manual, you're not going to really know what to do with all this stuff possibly, unless you're, some of us are pros and know. you and me, we're driveway guys, right? Kind of like, whoa, what's that? So I'll show you guys, we'll show how to change it, right? And we'll show what they are. So right now the 12 millimeter throw head is in there right now. You guys kind of see that in there. And I'll show it once we take it apart too. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Take the wrench here, the black wrench with the squared pegs on the end here, and they're gonna slot right there. You'll get how to do it on the backing plate, right below the backing plate where it attaches. You just unscrew with your hand.
Okay, so it's hand tightened.
Hand tightened. There's your backing plate.
That wrench is just holding it from spinning.
Yep. So there, now you take that off. So you can see it's rounded on two sides and flat on the other two. Slips right in there. Next step, this little guard is plastic. You just unscrew that. One more step, guys. You're gonna slip those same two pegs. Go in this slot right here. That's what it is. And you just turn that till it kind of falls in.
Right?
And see if I can get this. Of course, we're on video now. And I can't, okay, there you go. It was in. Or it was already in. You've removed the 12 millimeter head.
So that's the 12 millimeter head for the, or is it the 12 millimeter
throw,
right?
DA, yeah, 12 millimeter throw. There you go. So that's how that slots on there, see?
Got it.
So let's put this one on there. This is the 3 millimeter, so you want to work in a little tighter space. Just keep that wrench on there. Hand tighten everything. Screw that in. Remove your tool. Now we're going to come over here. Put the tool back on this one. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm going to put the little guard back on first. Ooh, dog likes it. And this guard, Ryan.
It's a little bit tricky to line up. There's not a whole lot of threads there, right?
Yeah, I go crooked every time, and it's... I might have to have you do it, man. It's a Ryan job.
So you put the guard on. Let's see here. So
it's those plastic threads. You know what I mean?
And they're so shallow. So you can feel it. No? Wow.
Isn't it brutal?
Oh, God. I don't want to force it. So that's why I'm going.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to be gentle. I think you got it.
Nope.
We just smash it on there. So, hey, we've noticed a little bit of...
There we
got
go.
it. See? It's weird, though, right?
Just got to work at it. You don't want to break the threads.
Yeah, because they're plastic, and once you strip them out, you're done, right? So here, I'll let you do this part, actually. You just slip that on there and hand tighten the backing plate back on there, and then you've got the little 3 millimeter throw on there.
You lock it on there, right?
Yep.
And then just hand tighten this.
It's pretty simple.
Is it your standard? Yep.
Again, Adam's video does a great job showing
righty
you too.
tighty, lefty loosey.
You got it.
And just there.
There you go.
It and
back in business. Now you took off the monster 12 millimeter throw.
And of course, I mean, it's just your Velcro. And your skills of lining it up, which I did not do, but...
So I'll go over the other attachments real quick here too. So we've got a brush attachment, which goes on this longer shaft here. Look at that. Just pop that in.
Okay.
You can screw that on if you'd like instead.
Let me show them the
clean
brush
clean
with
some
the
leather.
attachment.
Or...
You can kind of see that there. You really get into some areas there, some tight areas.
And then this one is just a straight for rotary tool. You know, if you don't want any throw. Old school rotary, right?
Right, not
Straight
dual action, right?
That's what I was looking for. Thank you. DA, dual action. So that's it, guys. That's all that's in there. Pretty simple. I'm going to be, like I said, I had to watch Adam's video for me to kind of understand all the different attachments.
Yeah, because what comes with the machine is not very informative.
As detailed as it gets, tells you how to put the wrench in there like we did, right?
Well,
but it doesn't tell you anything what these are.
And they have a schematic of it blown apart,
thing.
But
yeah.
I mean, I don't know how useful that is unless you're trying to repair it.
Yeah. And I'm like, hey, we're driveway detailers, right?
But yeah.
But anyways, that's the Swirl Killer. Now I think we head over to the vehicle.
Yeah, we'll just
kind of show some spots where we'd use this.
Simple as that. We'll just show you like areas where you would use a machine this small.
All right, so hey, we're over here at the vehicle. Obviously, we're not going to polish this. It's dirty. Don't polish a dirty
We just want to show you kind of the areas where...
Yeah, where this comes in handy. So I'm kind of thinking, look right here on this trim right here. Look at that.
That tight area.
You'd actually be able to hit that black trim. Now keep in mind, you want to do this on the shiny trim. Don't do it on matte plastics.
Yeah, exactly.
But this stuff Yeah, so you don't want to hit this.
But even kind of down through here.
Yeah, like you can hit through here.
You would
headlights, you know. But look, you're good in here. You might be able to use this on most of the bumper. This is a hard area right here. It fits perfectly in there. And then this is black trim here, of course. Another area here, your A-pillars, right? Look at that. You'd be able to easily get in there and work
perfect.
your A-pillars.
Oh,
you don't
that's
have this large pad sticking. Your side
mirror.
mirrors, look at that.
Much easier instead of using, you know, your full-size DA.
This has good balance to it, actually. Now, your door handles, look at that. You can actually polish the actual door handle.
Oh, yeah.
Then we've got, this car has, you know, this black trim here. Look at these weird angles. This would help a lot right here. Door jams, look at that.
Oh, nice.
You can hit your door jams
Thumbs up.
if you feel like it.
Another area that would...
And look at this. This is hard to
right
get
there.
anything
How in
in,
the
right?
heck do you get
Look at that.
in
We
there?
can get it nice and tight.
Ooh, look at that.
Right under
Perfect.
the emblems. Up here along this edge. Let's set that there. Look. You can get right in there.
Yeah, because of the different angles there.
Of course, it's got more emblem here, right? This
All around
area
that.
here. You can actually polish your emblem. You know? Like, how do you ever get in here?
Exactly.
So this would help.
Usually
You can
by
just
hand.
Push a little bit. You can actually probably get this in there.
Yep.
One last thing we just noticed. Hey, you can hit your shark fins on your car, right? If you have the painted version.
Yep. Look at that. It would fit on there.
I usually skip that, so another area you can easily clean up.
Other areas too, if you have any high polished interior trim pieces.
Yeah, I get that. A lot of piano trim. Hey, that's one area. Hey, let's come back this way real quick. Right here. This piano black trim, right? This stuff is a pain and scratches.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
And you're right, that
All
piano
the way.
black is also along the windows on the door,
Yeah, look, right? The pillar, the B pillar here.
because that gets a lot of,
Perfectly.
you know, hands touching and
Constant scratches. And yeah, like you were saying, interior. If you have this stuff in your interior
yeah,
trim,
if
there's a
there
little
are
bit in there.
any interior pieces,
Any gloss, shiny gloss.
you can bring that
scratches.
shine back and remove those scratches.
Yeah. So I think there's a lot of good uses for a tool like this. Stay tuned. We will have a video of this in action, right, Ryan?
That's right.
Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for watching our unboxing and a little tour of this tool, the Adams Swirl Killer Pro Micro Polisher. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next one, guys.
Ryan from behind the camera.
Bye. Brandon.
Take that zipper. I'll take this.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I don't have to reach across.
Isn't that a little weird though? Two
Yeah.
guys unzipping a.
Yes. Let's get back to this.